Is AI making us all dumb?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's totally making us all dumb. I feel like
I don't know. I feel like I'm getting smarter the more I talk with AI, though, at the same time.
Yeah, I feel like in the beginning, that's what happens. Like when your prompts start getting longer and you start learning more, like a part of it conjoins with your brain and you get smarter. But then like once you realize how good it is at doing stuff that you do all the time, you actually get dumber.
I'm not following.
I'll give you an example. Let's say you like go through your emails every day and you write email responses to everyone.
Okay.
Now you can start having AI write all your email responses.
Okay.
Right? Are you really going to read all of the emails that people sent you?
Fuck no.
Are you really going to even write emails anymore?
Fuck no.
No. So you're going to lose that ability to write emails. Now, let's say you don't even check the emails anymore and you just have an MCP connection that checks all your emails and does all the responses for you. Mm-hmm. Now you're not even going to know how to check your email.
I'll do a counterpoint. Okay. While that might be true, we're getting dumber on those sort of tasks. I think what we do gain is the qualities that make like a manager, delegation, those sort of things. Because I feel like in the past, we're so used to, I'm going to do everything myself because I didn't have something else to do those tasks for me.
Yeah.
It's like having a business. When you're on your own, you're so used to doing everything, right? You didn't have AI or in that case, employees. Now you have AI as your little like employees. You can delegate and it takes some sort of brain power in order to delegate those tasks. You have to describe it in a way that accomplishes the task and doing so in an efficient way. So although we lose the ability to do those tasks in a way, we also gain the ability to delegate and in some ways like some sort of like managerial qualities that we gain.
You know, you make a good point. That's an interesting
insight. I
make
a good point. I make a lot of good points.
It's an interesting insight right there.
You get more efficient.
Yeah, I see. What are some of the things you use AI for?
Well, I mean, for this channel, it's given me a lot of information that I can use to make my channel better or just on any question that I have, I learn, whatever they tell me to, and it gives me more intelligent questions to ask back.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's kind of
cool. So that's kind of a little bit on the managerial side. You kind of gain like, okay, I can delegate these stuff to AI and they can give me solutions to my problems. And also like it makes me more intelligent and I can ask more intelligent questions back and gain more knowledge. It's like a back and forth kind of thing.
Okay, nice. Do you do any like agentic workflows? Like do you have it edit your videos or automatically post them?
No, I've got some guys from India doing that.
Because that's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to build an auto posting bot. I have a CRM for my bots. So you can like put a custom AI agent. Like you can make like all different personas based off of different LLMs. And then all my leads that I get from Facebook go in there via a webhook. But now I want to make a auto posting bot that like takes raw footage, edits it, adds effects to it, and then posts it all on its own.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty sophisticated. I don't think that'd be from ChatGPT. I'm assuming that'd be from Claude or some other more updated, more newer, more of a sophisticated version of AI.
I built the framework with Grok because Grok is like built off Twitter. So it's more like unhinged. Yeah. Like you can say unhinged stuff to Grok and it will respond. Yeah. Like one time I asked it to produce a picture of put any word here. Yeah. Any slang word here. And it actually did. Okay. Yeah. I built the framework on Grok and then I built it with Manus and Claude.
Do you think AI has made you dumber or has it made you more efficient?
It's made me smarter and dumber at the same time. Okay. Like I notice when I use it a lot especially for like easy tasks, I'm like, whoa, it can do a whole bunch of things. And then I lose the ability a little bit to do those things. So like a lot of critical thinking tasks I've kind of offloaded to the LLMs. And now when I need a critical think, I'm not as good at it.
Yeah. It inhibits your ability to critically think because it gives you the answer right away, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I mean, how's that any different than like Google when you like looked up? I mean, that's always been present. Like you can look up answers like on Google.
I guess it's the same idea.
It's the same idea.
But okay, let's say on Google you're searching something up. You got to go and look for that answer, right?
Well, it's the same kind of thing with AI. I mean, you still, no. Never mind.
So let's say you go on AI and you'd be like, hey, download this from this website or go download all of these, whatever task you want to give it, right? You already knew how to do it on your own when you told it what to do. But now you've had it do this same task so many times. The next time you need to do it, you're not as good at it. Yeah. I hope I explained that well. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No,
Have you had that yet?
I know what you're talking about.
Where you're like, I don't know, anytime there's something with instructions, I usually just give it to ChatGPT and be like, go do these instructions. Now when I have to do stuff like that, I feel like, whoa, wait, I can't lose this ability to do this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I can't become reliant on it. I feel like the more people, the smarter it gets, the more people are going to become reliant on it, and the more it's going to make people dumb.
Yeah. Even though people get information from it that makes them smart.
I mean, a great example is like all those people that like now apparently in school, everybody gets A's. Did you know that?
No, I did not know that.
Because AI, you like can use it on every exam, every homework assignment. The teachers don't know what's like, they don't know how to grade it. The truth of the matter is like it's totally changing education because now everyone is PhD level smart.
That's technically right. On the other hand, I'd say with school like that, like middle school, I guess the whole point of school is to give you the habits. And with those habits, it propels you to do well, like in future jobs when you're old enough. But in those same situations, it teaches you how to be an employee. I would argue that AI, in essence, is maybe teaching you more how to be an owner of like, okay, I have this information, I can delegate it by using AI rather than the system itself where it's teaching people to be employees. So maybe in essence, like the style that has always existed for decades, for centuries of, hey, let's just create these minions over here. Let's have these minions do work for us. These like we've had this conversation how school has made us into fucking minions and like employees. Maybe AI is something different where, hey, give us the information. Now I can talk to ChatGPT like I'm delegating, their work. And it's kind of changed the way how we think.
Yeah. I totally think AI has become the great equalizer between smart and dumb people. Now everyone is on a level playing field in terms of intelligence.
Yeah.
You can take the dumbest person, and now the value of what they do is not just like their output, but it's also their ideas. Mm-hmm. So like a great example is coding. Before AI, whatever you want to call it, before LLMs that could write code, only programmers knew how to code. Yeah. Which means that there's a whole bunch of artists out there who could have built great software had they known how to code, but will never learn. Now, coding is just text. You just write text and a application, a front end can be made and you can just adjust it.
You make a good point.
So like we're going to have way more Mona Lisas now.